So this is exactly how I was able to fix my AOC monitor that it has no sound. So you can see, even if I do actually have sound right here and also sound on YouTube, it still isn't giving me any sound here whatsoever when it's playing. But there is one way to actually fix this completely. I'm just gonna turn this one off here for a little while. And then what we need to do, we need to have a Bluetooth speaker here instead. So basically now when you do have one, I'm just going to click on the power button right here to be able to turn it on. And put it into pairing mode now, as you can see. So once it's in pairing mode, I'm just gonna go into settings here. So go into settings and then click on Bluetooth and devices and then click on add device. And that is if you're using a PC or laptop that is connected to the monitor, of course. But by the way, if you're using, for example, anything else that has Bluetooth, this should also work, just so you know. Then I'm just gonna find it right here. This is how it's called, by the way. And now it should be connected. So now when it's connected, let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna play this. I'm not gonna make it too loud. I don't wanna wake up my neighbors here. But you can see, now it's actually playing. So now I can actually hear exactly what's happening. So you can see if I pause this, it's gonna pause. And now it's gonna play again. So basically that is how I was able to fix it. And by the way, I have linked a link down below for a very good Bluetooth speaker here. And it is an affiliate link, by the way, so if you want to be able to get it from there, I would really appreciate it because it's like a way to support my channel. And once again, it is an affiliate link, but it's at no extra cost to you, and I will earn a small commission from it, basically. So that is how I was able to fix this.